Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a conversation with someone on the Bumble dating app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bumble application on your device. And once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already, using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you will be taken into the People tab, from which you will see various different profiles, on which you can swipe right or left. Now, in order to conversate with someone, it is essential that both of you have to swipe right when you see each other's profile. If this condition is met, then you will now become a match, which you will find within the Like queue as well as the chat section. From there, you can simply initiate your conversation by tapping on the user's profile and sending your desired message. However, even if you have not matched with any user, you can still initiate a conversation by spending the compliment points. Just tap on the heart icon underneath the username, and now you will be able to send a compliment to this user in the form of a message. So this is a nice technique that you can use in order to initiate conversation with any user without matching with them. So through this process, you will not need to wait or wonder if you are going to match or not. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to initiate or start a conversation on the Bumble dating application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.